Warren Buffett said, if you do not see yourself owning a stock in the next 10 years, then don't own it for the next 10 minutes. This, for me, is perhaps one of the best quotes for a mindset of long-term investing. And because on this channel we talk a lot about how to invest Bitcoin, this is something that we can actually put into our minds when we are doing this. And in this video, I will show you the way you can actually put that quote into practice using Binance Auto Invest. Let's get those credits rolling. If you don't yet have a Binance account, check the first link in the description below. And if you use my link, you will get access to close to $300 worth of bonuses when you use that link. Verify your account and download the Binance app either on iOS or Android, and then you can be able to follow with this tutorial. One interesting thing on YouTube, there is a YouTuber known as Da Vinci who about 10 years ago did a video telling people to buy Bitcoin, and that time Bitcoin was just $1. What if you had followed his advice? And what if you're watching this and the price of Bitcoin is now at $1 million? This principle would have helped you. So let's have a look at how we can be able to see the power of a strategy called dollar cost averaging.
What is dollar cost averaging?
The principle behind DCA, or dollar cost averaging, is the fact that if you buy an asset regularly over time, you will tend to have an average price that is much lower. The biggest problem that people have in investing is that most people come in and they want to invest once with one big lump sum, or they think of investing when they start seeing green arrows on an asset, which is actually the worst time to buy, if you didn't know. So this is what we are doing at the moment. While the prices are at a huge discount, we are employing dollar cost averaging. Now I want to go on this site, which is called dcabtc.com, and I want to check if I had put in $10 every week for the past 9 years, how much money would that be? So if I'd put in $10 a week for the last 9 years, I would have put in money $4,700, 9 years. But the amount of money that I would have had by now is $192,000, which is a percentage change of about 4,000% per year. This is not even putting into account that prices went up to $70,000 last year, and right now we are sitting at around 17,000. If we had used Da Vinci's advice 9 years ago and invested $1 every single day for the last 9 years, $1 a day, would have invested $3,287, and our portfolio would currently be at $135,109. So just putting it out there, if you do this every single day, what I'm showing you right now, you could potentially make some good money. So we'll go onto the Binance site and I'll show you exactly how it works. Here we are on the Binance site, and we'll go under Auto Invest. So the first thing that you do is at the very top, go under Earn, and then under Earn you'll see Auto Invest. I'm using desktop. I'll also share in the card above the one I've done on mobile. Here we are able to create our Auto Invest plan. So an Auto Invest plan, the way it works is you actually set and forget. Remember that, set and forget, where you actually are able to put in an amount that you want to be buying every single day, and the funds are actually there, and it does it on autopilot. So the first thing I want to show you is the ones that I have already, and I've posted them just for the sake of this video, and you'll be able to see what you would do once the portfolio is running. So this is my auto invest plan, and the first one that I did was for BTC to invest 1 BUSD every 12 hours. That means that every day I'm investing about 2 BUSD into this plan. So if I do this for a very long time, then that amount keeps on growing. So this total investment shows you the amount of money that you have spent already on this plan, and you have an unrealized gain or loss depending on the current value of Bitcoin on the market and the amount of money that you bought Bitcoin at. So because in this one I bought Bitcoin at around 19,000 and right now it's around 17,000, that's why there is that unrealized loss. It's not a loss because I'm still buying as we go on. That's one way where you put in one coin and you buy that all through. The next one is a portfolio plan. So when it comes to portfolio plan, this is where you pick a number of crypto assets that you want to buy that may not be Bitcoin, any other crypto as well. You can be able to use that, and here I actually put in 1 BUSD a day, and I had 5 crypto assets that I was doing this for. So what that did is every single day 1 BUSD is used to buy and divided into 5 different cryptos, so 0.2 BUSD on each of them. And if you imagine how little that amount that you are investing is, this is something that you can actually be able to use and remove the stress of looking at the charts every single day. So another advantage with this auto invest is the fact that all the assets that you're buying here are then put onto Binance Simple Earn and Flexible, so they start earning you money and they are not locked, so you are still able to access them anytime that you want. So the next thing is how to be able to create a plan. In this case, I want to go down here, and under auto invest you'll see how to start growing your assets on autopilot. Now look at the historical return on investment. This can start to inform you what potential that particular crypto has. In this case, I want to be able to buy Ethereum. Ethereum for the last 3 years has a historical ROI of 153.28%. So I'll click on create a plan, and then this is where it gets interesting. The minimum amount that I can buy for Ethereum on auto invest is 0.01 USDT. I know in spot you need a higher amount, in P2P you need a higher amount. When you come here, you can actually make use of any small amount that you have to start earning on it. So this is what we can be able to do. In this case, I want to make this really interesting for myself. So I'll actually do 0.01 USDT, but I want to do daily and every hour. So every single hour, I'm investing an equivalent of 1 Kenya shilling into Ethereum. So at the end of the day, I'll have invested about 0.24 USDT, and I keep on doing that over and over again. And then we start this in a few minutes, just as we are doing this. So the next one will actually be just right now at 12 p.m. And then the create time here shows at 11:34. So as I'm recording this, this will start in the next 26 minutes, and then I'll click on I have read and then click on confirm. And the plan has been scheduled successfully. So in the next 26 minutes after I've done this video, I will buy 0.01 USDT. You can actually do this where you buy your USDT, leave it in the spot wallet, or even now bring it on Binance Earn, put it on Flexible so that it is still earning you some money, and then use that balance so that you can make a lot of money. So I'll show you exactly how to do that. So in order to do this, I'll go under Earn, and then under Simple Earn, and I'll pick an amount and put the BUSD now in the Earn wallet. So we are here on the Earn wallet, and the next thing here is I want to match assets so that it only shows me the products that are on my spot wallet, and it's BUSD, and I click on subscribe right here, and I'll pick just a little of the BUSD that is already in my spot wallet, and then I click on auto subscribe, which means that anytime I buy BUSD, keep it in the spot wallet, it will be picking twice a day. That is really good. So you set and forget, and I'm earning 6% already on this BUSD, so it will start earning me money, but at the same time we'll place a plan on it as well. So here I'll click on I have read, click on confirm, and then this actually takes my amount, this $18 from the spot wallet, and now is in the Earn wallet. My BUSD is earning.
But wait, there is more.
So here we now want to make use of this BUSD that we have placed here on auto invest, so that now the amount that we have in BUSD here is already earning, and then we have an amount that will be picking over and over again. So I'll go under create plan, and after that we'll now create a portfolio. So I'll go here and do a portfolio auto invest, click on create a plan, and I want to pick about 4 cryptos that I will put here. These are just random for the sake of this video, and I'll click on add coins. So I'll pick BNB, I'll pick Solana, and then I need to pick Matic, and let's pick XRP as well. So we have 4 cryptos that we have picked here. Now what we do at this moment is that we need this portfolio allocation to be 100%. So I want 30% in BNB, I want 20% in Solana, I want another 20% in Matic, and the balance here will be remaining 30%. So the sum of allocation must add to 100%. And remember, we want to use BUSD, and then here where it says use flexible balance is the amount that we just took to Binance Earn. Pretty exciting. So the minimum amount here is 1 BUSD. That's what we'll be using, and in this one I keep on saying it is daily, and in a few minutes, in about 20 minutes time, it will pick the first dollar, and every single day it will start creating this particular portfolio. So within a few days, this will now show the unrealized gain and loss. And in this one where I had actually paused it, I can actually toggle it back on so that it becomes active. And now I have a plan for BTC, I have a plan for ETH, and I have a plan for a portfolio. And they will always be picking at a particular time. In this way, I don't have to stress over what's the current price of this particular asset. All I know is I can be able to afford a particular amount, and in my case I can be able to afford $1 a day. So I put in $1 and then I let it run. All I'll need to do is keep on checking the balance that is there in the stable coin, whether USDT or BUSD, and if the amount is running low, I just need to buy, whether via card or via P2P, and put it in the spot wallet, where I'll leave it there as well, and it will be picking automatically. The way to actually make money on Bitcoin is dollar cost averaging. If you want to learn how to be able to buy any single crypto on spot trading, then check out this video up here, and I'll see you in the next one.